Want to change the language in Crimson Desert? Whether you want to switch the interface or the voice language, in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to do it easily. First, open Crimson Desert. Press the ESC key on your keyboard. Go to Settings. Now navigate to Languages and Gameplay. Under In-Game Language, you can select the language for the interface. Choose the language you want. Now locate Voice Language. Here you can select the language for the dialogue. Once you select your preferred voice language, click on Apply. Then press Apply again to confirm the changes. Now your language should be changed. Method 2. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Crimson Desert and select Properties. Go to the General tab. In the Language section, select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Once you change it, close the window. Now launch the game, and Crimson Desert should be in the language you selected. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.